Hello friends, on this video right now I will show you how to on do not disturb on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. Then from here you have to scroll down to sound and vibration. You just keep scrolling and here is the sound vibration, so you have to click on it. After you have been click on it, again you have to scroll down to do not disturb. Here is the do not disturb option. So if you want to on the do not disturb, just click on this icon and the do not disturb on your mobile phone will be set on. Okay, and if you want to set off do not disturb on your mobile phone, just click on this option again and the do not disturb will be set off. Okay, if you want to on, you can on. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.